Guys, how are y'all doing? Today I'm here to talk about a facial technique which I have been trying since a few days and I'm loving it. That's a gua sha stone. The meaning of it is a scraping stone. It is usually used on the entire body, but since we do not know how what is the exact way to use it, I would prefer using it only on the face. I have been practicing it since a month probably, and it's working wonders. Seriously, I can make out the difference just the next day. The night I use a gua sha stone on my face, as in I massage my face with the gua sha stone, the next day my face looks so bright and nice. I just love it. There are 5 types of stones like this. The material I'm saying, there are different shapes as well in a gua sha stone, and there are different materials in the stone. The two I can remember are jade and rose quartz. This one was sent to me by Lindo Beauty. They have both the gua sha stones with them, so y'all can give it a try. And let's get started on how to use it. So as y'all can see, I have tied up my hair, and the first thing that I had did was wash your face. That's very important. You all should use the tool only on a clean face, and also wash your gua sha stone. How I wash it is I run it down under the tap water with a hand wash. I use the same soap for washing this gua sha stone. You can also put it in a bowl with soapy water and keep it there for a while and remove it from there. So first, make sure before you use the stone, your face is having enough oil, because if you just let me show y'all. If you just run the stone like this, it will not have a free flow like that, and it can cause some rupture on your face tissues. So the first thing you have to do is oil your face well. Make sure there is enough slip for the stone to move about. So this one was sent to me by Lindo Beauty. They have their own facial oil. I like to take a lot of oil while using this. So yeah, I make sure that my face is oiled really well. And also you can do it on your neck. It's really a relief to use it on your neck and even the back of your neck. Do not use the stone in a perpendicular angle. Make it as flat as possible, because perpendicular angle will only create tension. It will not release the tension from the face. This way it will massage your face and relieve the knots that are there. The perpendicular angle will only cause pain. This will release your pain. So make sure it is as flat on the face or any other surface of your body that you're using. The first thing I start with is my neck. Make sure that this is right in between your neck and you pull it upwards. So place it here and pull it up. And when you reach the end, wiggle it a little bit and leave. So that's the way you should use it on the entire face and the body. And here, pull it upwards as flat as possible, and again get it on your chin and leave. There is another way that people use it, like from the center of the chin. I like it this way. So center of the chin, get it to the ear, take it behind, wow, and then release it down. So there are 2 methods of using, use whichever you are comfortable with or which you feel is the right way of using. Just getting back to the face. Take it like this and end it here. So take it from your cheekbone that ends flat. This will give a nice shape to the cheekbone, that the laughter, when you smile, and the smile here that it ends, it will give you a nice lift on your face. And next, when you're done doing here 10 times, next, just below the eye, Keep it here and make sure you put light pressure. Do not put much of pressure on the face. No matter like how good you feel, make sure you go very light and pull it at the lymph nodes, wiggle it and leave. That's it. So this, do it 10 times here and then repeat it on the other side of the face. This leaving at the lymph nodes and pressing it a little here helps even for sinusitis, migraine, headaches that we often get. So a gua sha stone not only helps for facial muscles or wrinkles and everything, it also helps to relieve the tension on the face, relieves all the knots that are there on the face or back or hands. If you have any knots on any part of your body, all you have to do is something like this. Run it as flat as possible. I have sinusitis issues, and when I cross this path on the face, it definitely pains. When there is nothing, it does not pain while moving the jade stone the gua sha stone from here. On the eyes, there are two ways that I have seen, so I'm explaining both. Make it as flat as possible and move this towards upwards and wiggle it at the end. Or one more way is just move the flat side, the longer side, and again take it to the end and wiggle it. You can also use it on the brow area. Just like this. Just move it on the brows, take it upwards, and that's it. Remember guys, each side do it 10 times and do the other side of the face 10 times. Okay, there's another way here. You all can even work on the brows like this. Use the edge side of the stone and work it on the brows. Take it at the end and wiggle it again. And when you're here in between on the forehead, the wrinkles, the tension that you have on your forehead, it can disappear slowly if you work it like this. From here in between, wiggle it a little bit, and that's it. This will release all the tensions that you have. Make sure, or else you can even use this edge of the longer side. So wiggle it here and it will give you a nice relief. The headache and everything will go away. And the last one on the forehead, from the center, the longer side of the stone, keep it in the center and just pull it up as flat as possible guys, as flat as possible. The same thing on the entire forehead. The wrinkles that appear on the forehead and the tension, the fine lines, that will slowly disappear if you do this. And the puffiness under your eyes and the puffiness on the face, even that will reduce if you use a gua sha stone. So that's it guys, that is why I love this stone. Every night I use this, the next morning my face is like glowing. There's nothing to fear if there is redness after using the gua sha stone. It's quite normal, and that's it. Thank you. I hope you liked the video.